Alright, here's the system from the service side. Just take it back up here. So you come up the ladder access here, climb up, and then there's a little service door here you can close back down. So you have a something to step on when you come across. Coming up to the unit here. First stop, we have our air filter cleaner in here. Let's turn that camera. Pull that off. There's your filter. Pull that out, clean it whenever you need. Usually about twice a year, depending, once or twice. Your furnace. And then there's the coil cleanouts down there. Turn that red handle, blow on the top part of that pipe, and you flush the line all the way back. Tied into the vertical vent pipe there with the T and reducer bushing. And it's running now. I don't know if you can hear the refrigerant. Very, very quiet. Got a surge protector up top. Got a lot of expensive electronics inside of here. We don't want anything to go out because of power surges. Anyway, that's it. And then you get back out. Come this way. Open up your ladder latch and